Hello physio. Let's discuss osteoporosis. So, in osteoporosis, the bone mineral density decreases. So, osteoporosis का कुछ स्टेज है, जैसे कि स्टेज 1, स्टेज 2, स्टेज 3, स्टेज 4. स्टेज 1 में क्या होता है कि जो बोन लॉस और बोन फॉर्मेशन का रेशियो सेम हो जाता है, बट स्टेज 2 में वो जो लॉस का रेशियो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है, जिसको हम ऑस्टियोपेनिया कह सकते हैं. और स्टेज 3 में क्या होता है कि वो जो बोन लॉस का रेशियो है और थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो जाता है, जिसको हम ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस कहते हैं. और जो स्टेज 4 में क्या होता है कि वो जो बोन लॉस का रेशियो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, जिसके साथ फ्रैक्चर का चांस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. लेट्स सी द कॉज ऑफ ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस. Actually, there are no specific cause for that, but the cause may be hormonal changes like after menopause, or may be some hormonal imbalance and some inflammatory bowel disease भी हो सकती है, क्योंकि ना वो जाकर इंटरफेयर करेगा न्यूट्रिएंट एब्जॉर्प्शन में, that lead to bone loss. And rheumatoid arthritis directly affect the bone health, which increase the chance of osteoporosis. And some lifestyle factors like inactivity and low calcium and vitamin D intake and smoking, alcohol consumption may increase the chance of osteoporosis. In osteoporosis, there is no specific symptoms, or it may vary from individual to individual, but one thinks the chance of fracture increases in all individuals. We can diagnose osteoporosis by bone density test and T-score. You can check in this chart. Then physio, come to our topic, which is physiotherapeutic management. In osteoporosis, physio mainly focus on strengthening bone and muscles and try to improve posture and balance and try to reduce the risk of fall and fracture. And some exercise we can also include like weight bearing exercise, resistance exercise and balance and fall prevention, postural training and pain management, and body mechanism educations, means try to minimize the stress on the bone and reduce the chance of injury. And lifestyle modification by educating the patient about this condition. So in this short video, I just try to cover a basic information about osteoporosis. But if you have any extra information about this condition, then you can write in my comment section.